What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the show today. We got some really exciting stuff happening today. It has finally happened. One of the long-awaited mods that I've always wanted to do has finally happened. I picked it up off Facebook Marketplace for probably, what, 40% of the original price if you buy one of these brand new. But let me grab it out of the car. We're going to throw it on real quick. I'm hoping it's only like a couple minute install, but it's something, like I said, I've always wanted to do. Oh, yeah. So don't mind how much of a mess my car is right now. I haven't had time to clean it, and you think I would with quarantine, but I've still been working just as much. Anyways, guys, these are OEM factory roof supports, roof rack, whatever you want to call it. Got it off Facebook Marketplace, like I said, paid $160 for them rather than, I think they're close to $300 brand new. Put these on real quick, we're gonna see how good they look. It should be a really easy install. I got the key with it. So while I'm at it, why not do like a little how-to video? Step number one is we have to remove this guy right here. Now there's these two little dimples on each side that basically are gonna make it super easy to line up where the actual brace is gonna go, or the rack is gonna go. Flathead screwdriver, pop this guy out. Beautiful, just like that. All right, so once you have it in place, it's just an Allen key that you tighten down, and then it's the same thing on the back with the same dimples. All right, so the front is on. I'm probably gonna look the torque specs up later, but I'm losing daylight here. Looks decent. I have the end caps for it. We'll put those on in a second, but same thing back here. We have these dimples that line up. We're just gonna put it right in the middle there and throw it over on the other side. Alright guys, so the last step here is just to throw on all of these covers. So you can go around, click them in, and that's gonna be the last step. And honestly, my GoPro is reading less than 10 minutes right now, which is kind of crazy. Rear left hand. So that might have been the easiest install I've ever done on the car, but man, I love the way it looks. I love it. The only thing I don't like is these side things kind of aren't the most secure things in the world. And I imagine that's gonna give you some wind noise, but other than that, I think it looks amazing. I think it gives it that utilitarian, if that's the right word, the utility look of GTI that I've been going with, like with the mud flaps and the thicker tires and whatnot. So I think I might paint the silver parts black, but I also think it kind of looks cool with the silver car. If you had a different color car, I think it might look a little bit weird, but with the silver, it honestly doesn't look too bad. But let's do some glory shots here and show you guys exactly what it's going to look like. We'll see if I like them. We'll see if the wind noise is worth the look. I don't really have too much this summer that I think I'm going to be putting on there. One of the reasons I wanted a roof rack was to be able to put a snowboard on top. So we'll see if it stays around for that long. I like the look now. I got it for a really good deal. I think I could flip them for what I got them for if I don't like them, or a little bit less. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. I know it's been a while. Hopefully some more videos come up here soon in the future. Stay safe. Hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. We'll see you guys in the next one real soon. Peace.